Welcome to Fluent Phonics. Today we will discover the proper pronunciation of the word similarities. 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 Here's an example of how one might use it in a sentence. There were many similarities between the two candidates' policy proposals. Similarities refers to qualities or characteristics that are comparable or alike, indicating that two or more things share common features or traits. Thank you for your time. If you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe for further content.